I think that's really important because to get out of the textbook sometimes and do something practical where they're speaking and using the language in a practical way. And I think generally that's the idea of interactive lessons, to move away from the textbook and get them to practice what they've done, and usually in a spoken way, in a practical way. So I think that's what we did today, and it worked well.
Yes, definitely. So how many sessions have you run before?
This is my second now. The first one we focused on pronunciation, which I think was really useful. You know, took them through pronunciation, and then they actually came out of that lesson, I think, with some ideas on word stress, how to sort of pronounce some more difficult sounds. And today we looked at grammar, a simple grammar, like at a lower level, which was present continuous. But the good thing is we used it practically in a game, in a speaking game, and they were speaking and we used it in a game rather than just doing a book exercise. So I think they really enjoyed that. Yeah, and it improved their skills. Yeah.